Hi, everyone. Sorry it's taken so long to get this video up. I was in conferences and I'm having such a great time meeting with all of your families, and I'm looking forward to meeting with them if I haven't yet already. All right, friends. So I just wanted to go through Seesaw with you. I don't have to go through math because we didn't do math, a math lesson today. But yes, you do still have to do extra math and freckle practice. So just because there's no math lesson, you still need to make sure you go onto freckle and extra math. Okay. All right. So the first activity here is called Glows and Grows Trimester 1. Okay. So I want you to think something I'm really proud of this trimester was. Maybe there was a project that you really liked doing, your ice cream shop, your Washington Monument, and then just say why. Maybe because you like building things or you did a really good job with your graphs. So think about that. Number two is, how is distance learning going for you? So I want you to be honest and just tell me how you're feeling. Distance learning is super awesome because why? Or distance learning isn't so awesome and because why? And probably because we can't be together and things like that. So yeah, I feel yeah, I'm with you guys. So don't worry. Okay. Number three, what has been a strength? So something you feel you do well. Oh, there's a typo there. Sorry about that. And something that is challenging. So something you feel like you do a really good job at and something that is still kind of tricky for you. Okay. Because everyone has things that are tricky. And what's your goal? Maybe your goal is to pass subtraction and extra math or to get more words in your fluency or things like that. And what is your favorite part of third grade so far? Maybe a favorite project or favorite story we've read, things like that. Okay, so go ahead and fill that out for me. All right, over here is a reading assessment. It's quick. Okay, so just go ahead and read the passage and answer the three questions. It's called broccoli soup. All right. So remember, today we pretended that it was Wednesday. So we did our Thursday app log, kind of like we do Wednesdays. Okay. So here you have Freckle, Lexia, independent reading, and extra math. All right. So take a screenshot of those things. Here is your STEM activity today. And if you need to work on it tomorrow, over the weekend, or anything like that, that is A-OK by me. This is just extra activities for you. So if you don't have time, if that's okay too, just let me know. Okay. So here are your Great Pyramids and the Sphinx. Here is a really good video you could check out on different websites. Okay, here you're going to tell me, what are the Great Pyramids? What did you learn? What are they? What's the structure? What kind of shape are they? What are they built? What are they made out of? When and why are they built? So who built them and why? Other fun facts, and then just make a dot on the map where they are from. Okay, then here is where you get to design. Okay, make 3 pyramids in the Great Sphinx. Your pyramids must be made out of different materials than your Sphinx. So make the Sphinx, which is right here, the head, okay, that head looking thing here. You're going to make that out of something different than your pyramids, okay? You can make them different heights, one smaller than the other one can be really big. Look at the actual landmark, okay? And some ideas for building, you can use index cards, you can use cardstock or cardboard, you can use magnetic blocks, you can use other types of blocks, clay, Legos, marshmallows even, any other ideas that you have, okay? And add a photo of your creation and a video. How did you construct it? What materials and what were your challenges? What was hard? Have fun with that and take your time. If you need a couple days, go ahead. That is A-OK. Okay? All right, here's our story, Martina and the Beautiful Cockroach. That was a fun story today, guys. I really enjoyed reading that with you guys. So feel free to reread it in your Wonders book or listen to the audio right here, okay? And we did this in class today, and I actually posted a picture. Oops, no, didn't want to accidentally delete the whole activity. I posted a picture of what we did in class today right here. This is what I wrote down, so feel free to check that out, okay, if you need to. Look at it for yours. Go ahead. So fill this out. Tell me, Martina is trying to pick I think it was a husband. This one says Don Gallo. Tell me a little bit about Don Gallo. Don Cerdo. Tell me a little bit about him, the pig. Don Lagarto. Tell me a little bit about Don Lagarto. And the mouse. Who is the mouse and how did it end? Okay, here. What do you think will happen between Martina and Perez? And then how did Perez already know about the coffee test? Who does he have in his family that's just like hers? Okay, Then draw a picture and write a sentence explaining how Martina felt meeting the mouse for the first time. Okay, Martina felt blank because why? And then you get to do lots of drawing today. Draw one of her suitors, Don Gallo, Don Cerdo, Don Lagarto, or Perez. Whichever character you choose, write 2 sentences describing them. What do they look like? How do they act? And then over here, draw a picture of Martina and write 2 sentences describing Martina. What does she look like and how does she act? Okay, so have fun with that. And you can draw that right on Seesaw, on the activity itself, or you can draw it on paper and take a picture. And then lastly is your comprehension check right here. Okay. And again, if you have not turned in your narratives or your superheroes, so the things that are due on Friday are your superhero, your vocabulary, and your reading log. Here's vocabulary. Okay. And your narratives. Some of you are still missing your personal narrative, so please make sure you turn it in right here. Okay, still 6 people. So please get that in as soon as possible, and I will see you tomorrow.